For me, this is another great stop by the roadside in Poland, halfway between Czaplinek and Szczecinek in northern Poland. There is a fantastic view, well, maybe not fantastic, but nice view. And even though it's 10th of July, I can tell it's about to chuck it down quite nastily. And okay, we've also got here, I think it seems to be a camping or something over there, I don't know if it is or not. And we've got a toilet, and we've got a shelter, which the scouts are using right now. And so I'll put the location on Park for Night. Now there is a main road here, but at night it's all right. Not too noisy. It depends what you put up with, of course. I do appreciate it's not the same for everyone. Now, how do I know it's about to chuck it down? Because the wind is getting up. I noticed the scouts had come back. They passed me around 5 minutes ago, and so they can read the weather, and they turned around and went into the shelter. It'll chuck it down for about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes, then it'll be bright sunshine again. That is the way it is here in summer. So there we go. Nice place to stay the night, and nice and quiet, well, quiet-ish. There's my van, and I'm gonna get back in it before I get absolutely wet. Right, so this is one of my films on the road in northern Poland, and this is where I spend every summer, here and in Germany. So I'll get back in the van right now.